10 minutes flat, fake MC intro, deep fake echo, go. Understandable tech when I step to the lectern. Let's go, let's go. Real AI, lines blurred fine, story starts classic. Once upon a time, we wired the climb, from scratch to design, from grind to sublime. Keys click, copy, paste, then paste rockets by, from Tampa lines to cloud our minds. Once upon a time, we sparked the spine of work that works and thoughts that shine. Trailer park kid with a daddy spark grin, drawing lot lines inked in, 4-inch locked in, 18 feet long, 8 feet space and precision. Every rectangle measured, repetition, attrition. Downstairs, plotter hums in a paper maze. Mr. Park shows auto K, clicks, copy, paste. Mini and your half with 3 days used to waste. Brain melts, frame tilts, future in my face. Accelerator, not automated, say it again. Tools don't conjure buildings, they empower the pen. From PCs, spreadsheets, net, mobile, cloud. Every step another staircase, climbing out loud. 2 billion users later, still chasing the edge. Keyboard shortcut to summon they off ledge. Click, clack, shift, tap, bring the bot back. Hit the stack, get facts, then push back. We cracked the pinata, what's inside? Mine, patterns and stats design, right? Confidence check, source that line, beat it up, refine the line. Generative, never just search it verse to verse. Pre-trained brains with a time lag curse. Transformer turns tokens, next word thirst. Consensus in the chorus, loudest voice goes first. Say, once upon a time. Stab model, here's there, but the next word's fog when the brand splits hair. 40% confidence, would you ship that fair? Ask it, how sure? Don't be unaware. Ready, say glue with your mozzarella stew. Cheese sticks, sure, but the joke sticks too. Probability machine, not a lie detector. Actuary tables, missing out live vector. Autocomplete, try texting all your friends for you. Would you hand it your heart? Nah. Edit the view. Memories and hopes steer the human decision. AI's facts, your vision, real precision. Say it when it's wrong, say it when it's right. I disagree, explain your sight. Turn the dial from haze to bright. Coach the model, tighten bite. We will always need people to solve, decide, and imagine. That's top tier craft, no bot can cash in. Make the bottom faster so the top can happen. We solve, decide, and then say it. We will always need people to solve, decide, and imagine. Talk, process, find. Those first 3 grind. Calendar packed in box and kind. 68% in meetings, emails, lines. Mac and see, Microsoft tally your time. Let the notes get taken out of catches the quotes. Copilot highlights, flags, previous votes. Yo, Martha's on vacation. Bot halts the motion. Saves you a loop and political erosion. Pause the recorder, have the private decide. Like shutting the door for a confidential ride. Then global mode. 70 tongues on tap, 10 Spanish dialects. Map to your map, on device translate. Privacy intact. AirPods whisper meaning. Trust the pack. Borders dissolve, competitors evolve. New voices at the table when problems revolve. Once upon a time, we wired the climb. From scratch to design, from grind to sublime. Keys click, copy paste, now paste rockets fly. From Tampa lines to cloud our minds. Yeah, once upon a time, we sparked the spine of work that works and thoughts that shine. Click tock, click clock, inbox, shock, dotty doc, stock, talk, padlock, unlock, plotter pop, AutoCAD block, copy paste shock, 8 feet apart in the parking lot chalk. AI accelerates, we escalate too, not a ghost in the shell, just a turbo for you. It won't feel your hopes or the boss you outgrew, but it fetches the facts, you can root in the new. Decisions need dissent, not a single brain cloud. If one model writes all, the world sounds loud the same. We want strange, we want rare, we want brave. New maps, new paths, only humans can pave. We will always need people to solve, decide, and imagine. Always turn up the tools so the meaning can cash in. We will always need people to solve, decide, and imagine. Inside copies past the chores, let the future start happening. Imagine. We will always need people to solve, decide, and imagine. Is it real? Is it AI? Maybe both in tandem fine, but the story that we choose to write still starts. Once upon a time,